My name is Suzette Modesto and I am the presenter of our group in this activity, Introduction to Forensic Chemistry. We will start in the celebrated case. The title of the celebrated case was The Death of Mabel. It is a scene of the crime special coverage showed on television on December 2, 2017. The host of the show, Soko, is a broadcast journalist and he was named Gas Abelgas. Soko presents the investigation thus far into the rape slay case of 22 years old bank teller Mabel. Her family member described Mabel as a dutiful and helpful daughter who had big dreams for her family. One night, she fails to come home from work. The case information. The case information by Gabriel Ramoso. The case information based on the celebrated case, The Death of Mabel, Soko special coverage. The crime was happened on November 10, 2017. It was happened in a company garage of MMDA impounding area in Pasig City. The crime committed was rape with homicide. The victim was named Mabel Kama and the arrested suspect named Randy Wabenada. Forensic Analysis Report by Lance Melvic Danipog. According to the result of dactyloscopy examination made by the East Police District Crime Laboratory on the persons of interest and the scene of the crime of the lifted Latin prints found in the cell phone of Mabel Kama matched with the standard fingerprints of Wabenada, while other Latin prints owned by the possible cohorts of the suspect were still subjected for examination. Drug paraphernalia was also found in the crime scene. They confirmed that Wabenada tested positive for shabu. The last one, case resolution. Case resolution by Adrian Kit Tumpalan. The police said they will file rape with homicide and drug use charges against Randy Wabenada. Wabenada is accused of raping and killing Mabel Kama. He was imprisoned in Pasig City Jail. The police said they still trying to determine the four other persons of interest. Meanwhile, the reward money for information leading to the arrest of other suspects has been raised to 300,000 pesos. According to National Capital Region Police Office Chief Director Oscar Albayalde, hindi pa maituturing na case close ang panggagahasa, pagpatay at pagsunog sa bank employee na si Mabel Kama. Ito ay hanggat hindi nahuhuli at nakukulong ang iba pang suspect sa naturang insidente. That's all for our video presentation about the celebrated case, The Death of Mabel, Soko special coverage. Thank you, Mom, for watching. God bless and keep safe. This is our group. Me, the presenter, Suzette I. Modesto, and my members, Lance Melvic D. Danipog, Gabriel C. Ramoso, Adrian Kit B. Tumpalan.